guys, it's currently like 7:45. We're going to the north. Meetup is at 8:15 and we're gonna buy like snacks, so this is our outfit today. We're wearing pink with cute shoes and socks. We just took some free snacks. Okay, so I got this for 35. I don't know what it is. Let's do a
Scallion.
taste test. Ooh.
Hurry
Egg
up.
in it. It tastes like last night.
With
But
cheese?
like, no. I feel like it'd be better with ketchup. Damn. Field trip time.
20 and 21. You just order food. There will be 1,000 tourists. They visit this place.
Girl.
And then this one.
No, another page.
No, like just mix them together.
Yay.
Oh no. Okay, another one. Okay, so we're in a random street. What is this place?
Jiufen also.
So cute. Earlier we were the first ones, and now we're the very last ones.
Peanut ice cream.
So we got the peanut ice cream. Taste test time.
Mmm. Mmm. Yep.
Now
Go.
we have chicken wings with rice inside.
Ooh. Ooh. Is it? How is it? How is it?
It tastes like candy.
Huh? What the hell?
Ni hao double. Ni hao. We made it to Shifen Waterfall. We made it to the waterfall. Yay, it's so pretty. But then we have to stay here for 1 hour. What the hell?
Swinging?
We're in a swing. Swinging.
No, we're not.
Okay, so we're at the old
What's that
street
smell
now.
like pizza?
Jiufen. Just walking. Good thing it's not as hot because it's like covered.
Okay.
So they had free
we're just
taste,
stealing.
and I filled up my small cup. Cute. Look at it. I got dorayaki for 40. Yo. I got dorayaki and strawberry. It's the same color as what I'm wearing.
Oh. Period. Period.
Ooh, look at this view. Wow. Pretty.
What the hell? You lucky. What the
I couldn't
hell?
use my hand because of the camera. So
What
I just
the
let myself
hell?
go. Wait.
The hell? What the hell? Embarrassing.
Birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Okay?
Okay, so we just got back from the north and we're kind of tired of the food. So we're having Mo's Burger, a little fast food, y'all. Wait, let's try the chicken, fried chicken.
You're so tiny. Oh,
This is a normal fried chicken.
girl. Okay, try the other things. Tea.
Sweet potato. I love sweet
Yeah, it's okay. It's cute. It's cute. What is it?
hash brown.
Yeah.
Tastes like onion.
Oh.
Onion. We just just got back from the hotel and got ready and like the first day of it. Now we're going out again. This is my outfit and I'm using my new bag. Someone has had only 400 NTD now. Okay. It's been surviving with 400 NTD. Yeah, exactly.
Stop, don't say that.
Anyway, he got money now. Now you gotta pay me back. This guy were in the streets. What the hell? I got my Easy card. Look, it's pink like me. Fit check.
Yeah. We can go it up.
First actual train experience. Going to Songsha. We made it to Rauhe. Look at that, it's so pretty. We've just been walking around Rauhe night market. Yeah. We got this. We mixed Oreo with double cheese. Yay. We got pancake, egg pancake, and let's try the Oreo first. Wait.
Which time? Ooh. It tastes like Oreo. Try the cheese.
Wait. Next one we got the cheese. It's one of the top sellers.
Oh, cheese food. Look at that, y'all. Only in Taiwan. Period.
I want a picture. What the dog do? Yeah. Look at this cute glasses. It's $190. It's so pretty, it's so big. I've been wanting to change my glasses and I think this is it. We're going home now.
Always starting.
Yo.